I want to see a horse.
A lot of heat going on here.
I want a second chance.
Boy, I was not made for a farm. I'm sorry, Dad. I let you down.
We're gonna have a great time!
Shotgun. We're gonna drop kick today in the dick. We do this right now?
Yeah, we do
this right now?
You're done. Drop kick anybody. I saw a drop kick me.
You wanna watch them smash the guitar?
Yo, nigga.
Alright.
Can I sit this right now?
Yeah.
I get it.
I'd be like, what the fuck's going on?
Cigarette and coffee make me boo-boo, my nigga. Detoxing that block, my niggas. Do with these niggas. TikTok, and this time I'm getting do with these niggas, yeah. I'm do on these niggas, yeah. I'm do with these niggas, bitch. Cigarette.
I'm gonna be fake drinking water and shit talking about yeah, it's good, huh? That's dirty. That's so dirty. Of course, you have to make sure. That's so dirty. Oh my god.
Nick, you got a charger
For
your phone?
yes.
I didn't even know you existed. I didn't even know you were alive.
Me neither.
Like, I need a Pomeranian. Louis V.
Glass ceilings were shattered, repeated, repentant patterns, protagonist, powerful, black, beautiful. I did it again, I'm sorry. Because I'm looking at the word, and I'm like, I'm sorry, man. I'm just redo it. I'm sorry, and it fucked it all the way up. And I can feel it.
Make it small, never pause, it's all the stress. Play it off, play it down, keep on my best.
That guy in my mood. I got Bacardi virus, coronavirus.
Alright, so this is pretty much the set right now. What's good, nigga? Hey, yo, Ben!
Ben ain't got no idea.
Yeah.
I'm ugly, nigga. You're not the enemy.
I know.
Trash bag.
Got my nigga Louis over here. What's good, Louis? This is camera squad right here. Called our main head in charge. What's your name, bro? Tim. Nice to meet you, Tim. Yo, what's your name, bro? Rodney. All right. Cool. The main man right here, shooting color guard today. Hey, you got a couple words for the fans out there, bro?
What up?
There you go. That's all you get. Anything extra, you gotta pay for it.
What's up, fans?
I'm not that damn.
It's not even
funny.
No.
That's OD.
They gotta pay for it, bro.
For a nigga time?
Yes.
I'm not that damn.
Pay for it?
Time the only thing you can spend and can't get back, alright?
I'm not that raw.
But you is, though. He ain't that raw, fuck it. I'm that raw. You gotta pay me for my time. Alright? I got 2 going on 3 kids right now. I ain't got time for the rest of y'all.
Put your seatbelt on.
Yes, father.
Yeah.
You know what he's at?
Yo, is that Ollie and Malcolm X?
You know what it is, bro.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Okay. Wait. Okay. Yo, but I need to slow him up.
Might again, I own that beef, guillotine, button up, where they throw it up, don't move on, it's a color guard. Gotta walk light when you move on.
Let's take a look at it. We'll see. If anything, you just edit it and post it.
That's not the yellow black card. Oh, extend on.
I know I typed it way too tight. This one go right here.
My mind once again.
Oh night, 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 oh night.
My mind once again.
Ceiling fan, killer kill, bumping in,
Living room,
dirty money, do the lunch, clean it up, might again, I ain't on.
moving.
Neck piece, guillotine and button up. Night flex it, blingin' when I'm pulling up. Draw the line, territory where they throw it up. Dome in the zone, it's a color guard. You gotta walk light when you move hard. You gotta talk nice to the doorman. Saying you can kick it, see if you can. So I'm fucking up the money, get a spray tan. Couldn't told me do it right, he will right again. In the game that we playin', we gon' let it in. Mostly homie gang bang, throw the letters in, let him in. Watch her keep it tooly in the letterman. Kingpin type my suit, clean my type of food. Step back 3, that's dollar. Step back, sit back, watch me. Get it, go get it, I got you, I promise. I'ma try the shit and make a rap till the summer. Blend it at a dinner where they cook it right in front of them. Double up the sound and put the youngest on onions. Money all around, you gotta figure out how to come up.
My mind once again.
Ceiling fan, killer kill, bumping in,
Living room,
dirty money, do the lunch, clean it up, might again, I ain't on.
moving.
Neck piece, guillotine and button up. Night flex it, blingin' when I'm pulling up. Draw the line, territory where they throw it up. Dome in the zone, it's a color guard.